In this video, I will show you how to add a Facebook pixel on your Godaddy website. First, on your Godaddy dashboard, go to the upper ribbon and click on Websites and Hosting. Next, go to Website Builder. Once you're in, head to the upper right corner and click on your name. Then, select My Products. Here, you'll see list of your websites. Choose the one where you want to add the pixel. Now, click on Edit Sites. Once inside the editor, go to Settings at the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Meta Pixel. Click on it and now you'll see a field where you can enter your metapixel ID. Just type it in and it will automatically be added to your site. And that's it. Your Facebook pixel is now active on your Godaddy site. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.